Honey, you're snoring. Roll over. Honey, roll over. Roll over!
Are you tired of being tired? Would you like a good night's sleep? We have your solution. No surgery, no noisy CPAP, no drugs. FDA approved and covered by most insurance plans. Call today for a free consultation or learn more at nomoresnoring.com. The kids are at Grandma's. The wine is perfect. The music, romantic. And then...
Wow, what a night. Sleep well.
Good night.
Is snoring a problem in your life? Why have 2 bedrooms? Save money and your happiness. No surgery, no noisy CPAP, no drugs. FDA approved and covered by most insurance plans. Call us today for a free consultation. Or for more information, log on to nomoresnoring.com.
Life has been very good for my wife Lisa and I. Our daughter Samantha has a beautiful smile that will just knock your socks off. The braces and cosmetic dentistry we paid for her were worth every penny. So we were wondering, why not do the same for ourselves? Lisa replaced her old dentures with new, very natural looking dentures. And now I have 2 lovely ladies with beautiful smiles that will both just knock your socks off.
Call today for a free consultation